Welcome to my channel. My name is Delaney. At the moment, I'm 17 years old, currently living in Australia, and I have a passion for self-improvement, fitness, and business. How can I personally help you, and how is this channel actually going to benefit you? I want to help people who struggle with creating healthy habits by actually building their discipline and utilizing specific mindset strategies to help them achieve specific goals tailored to them. I created this channel purely for the purpose to help people achieve goals that they never thought was possible and actually build a life that they enjoy living. I want to make it my life's mission to help as many people as possible build this life that they love living so that they don't have to live the average life that is not desired. And that is why I created a full mini course PDF step by step telling you exactly how to build healthy habits, building discipline, and why working out and exercise is probably the number one habit you should be doing on a daily basis. And I'm giving this all away completely for free for anyone who wants to join me on my journey to help as many people as possible achieve their goals. Good luck to everyone out there who has a goal. Keep working hard and keep striving to be the best person you can be, and I hope to one day see you out there.